What's up, everyone? I'm Kenny Brain from Making It Home. To be quite honest, I am not a tub person. Don't enjoy them. I find them really boring. However, some of our homeowners love them. So today I'm going to show you how to make a tub caddy, somewhere to lay whatever you need to make your tub the most comfortable. What do you need to make that? I'm gonna do some pine. It's just a 1x8 and some 1x2 for the trim and for your cleats on the bottom. Some handles for the end so you can carry it around. Some stain, whichever color you like, whatever fits the space. First, you measure your tub to figure out how wide you actually have to cut your plank. We have a 28 width here. You wanna have an overhang enough that you can install the cleat on the underside so it doesn't slide around and slip into the tub. So 2 inches on both sides, you're looking at 32 inches. 32. So we'll get this cut up. This is gonna be the base of our tub caddy. So from there on, you wanna create a border basically all the way around that's raised up, so anything that you put on it is not gonna slip and slide around. That's where the 1x2 comes into play. You can just measure it out this way. This will be our base. So I'll go cut this. All right, this will be the front and the back. So I will measure out this, 7. Go there. The general frame is made. I'm gonna glue around it and brad nail it with 1.25 inch, 1.5 inch brads, whatever you have. Okay. General body constructed. What you want to do now is make the cleats for the bottom. We measured out a 2-inch overhang. So this is how much play you have to put your cleats. So I'm going to measure the width of this, 8 3/4. 8 inches is probably enough. So I'll cut 2 of those. Now I have the 2 cleats cut. Same thing, I'm going to glue them, pin them on. Same thing on this side. Get the cleats on. Body built. I'm gonna pre-drill these holes to attach the handles. All right. All right. Give it a little test fit. Looks good, fits good. I mean, you can basically do whatever you want with it at this point. If you want to do a clear coat, you want to keep the natural feel, which is more my style. If you want to darken it up, it's totally up to you, whatever fits your space. If I was a tub guy, it'd be a tub I want to get in.